everyone, welcome back. Today's a bonus upload, so there's going to be two videos for me today. I wanted to share the new collection from Risen Legacy called A Glimpse of Fall. And the first color here is stunning, and it is a beautiful gold shard glitter. And it is super pretty. It has like gold flakes in there. It's a really pretty glitter, and it's really hard to describe the texture of it, but it's stunning. And then Rustic Rose is a beautiful rose gold burgundy color. And it is stunning, and it's giving me those cozy sweater vibes, and I like it so much. And you're going to see that color here in action in just a few moments. The next color here is called Amber Glow, and it is a beautiful chunky glitter that shifts orange, yellow, and red. And it reminds me of a fall tree that already changes colors, and it's like glistening in the sun. It's the perfect fall glitter. And then Crimson Rose is another beautiful color here, and it is a dark chocolate bronzy glitter. And it is beautiful, and it could be paired with any of these colors, and it's going to look awesome. It's just a good staple color. And then Mystic Pine is a beautiful holographic glitter, and it has shifts of aqua, teal, and reds in here, and it's super pretty. And it changes to all different colors depending on what kind of light you're in, and it's super hypnotizing, and it's going to transform your mani with this next color called Woodlands. It's a beautiful teal color, and it is a stunning dark deep teal that is perfect for the fall season. So all 6 of these colors here complement each other really well. It was super hard for me to pick a mani because I think this collection is amazing. This is probably one of my favorite collections that Risen Legacy has released in a while, because not only is it gorgeous, but I love fall, and these colors are screaming fall season. So these are the 3 colors that we're going to be using today for the mani. We are going to be using the gel method. So I do have full coverage jelly tips on there, and I will go ahead and link everything that I'm using in the mani today in the description box below. I'll also link the Risen Legacy's Facebook group as well, because if you join the Risen Legacy's Facebook group, you get special sneak peeks of new releases that are coming out. And then Natalie also gives her Facebook group members exclusive access to any new collection, normally a day early. So I will go ahead and link the Facebook group for Risen Legacy below. It's a really fun group, and you definitely want to go over there and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here with the top coat, but a few things regarding this collection tomorrow. It is releasing Friday, September 1st, and it is called A Glimpse of Fall collection. So this collection is going to be sold either in the full set of 6, and it's going to be jars of 0.5 ounces and 1 ounce jars. And then it's also going to be sold in a set of 3 duos. So I think that's really awesome, and I believe it's going to be sold individually. But if you join the Risen Legacy Facebook group today, the link is in the bottom, you can get this collection a little bit earlier, so that's pretty awesome. And what better way of going into that autumn, fall season with this beautiful, stunning collection from Risen Legacy. I love it. It's giving me all those warm, cozy fall vibes. And all that's missing is my pumpkin spice latte. And I think those just came out today, and I really want one of those now after this mani. So I will go link everything in the description box that I used. And if you haven't tried Risen Legacy's cuticle oil yet, definitely add that to your order because it is amazing. It doesn't leave your hand too greasy, and it's super moisturizing and hydrating to those cuticles. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you are checking out this fall collection, let me know what colors you're thinking of or admiring. And definitely consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!